Day number 8 in Muscat, Oman. And also the most awaited Wadi Shab. Wadi is a valley in Oman. We are going to go over there. So of course we have the family members with us.
Hi.
Hello Ami.
Hi.
Hello Soma. It's going to be a long day, so gotta get some energy first. Veg thali after ages. Look at this. अरे भैया आप थोड़े जेठालाल जैसे दिखते हो, आपके भाई है क्या?
मेरा जीजा है वो।
सच में?
आने वाले हैं इधर, मैं बुला रहा हूँ।
वो जेठालाल इधर आने वाले हैं। आप उनको मेरा चैनल बताओ, सब्सक्राइब करने बोलो।
ओके चलो।
मेरे चैनल को, ठीक है?
क्या बात है सर, ये बात है।
किशोर भैया थैंक यू फॉर द लंच, गुड फूड। आपका नाम क्या है?
किशोर जोशी मेरा भी।
किशोर जोशी।
मैं भी किशोर भाई, मैं भी किशोर।
किशोर 1, किशोर 2। Welcome to Wadi Shab. I wanted to do this last weekend as well, but because you were short in time, we couldn't do it. But this is the place you have to visit if you're in Oman. So ideally, people come here in the morning, they trek the entire day, go inside, see some nice caves and then come back. Because I'm not a professional trekker, I'm just gonna go inside, get some nice footage for you to experience Oman. But now we are starting. We're going into the boat that will take us to the entrance of Wadi Shab. The boat ride is 1 riyal per head, that is 200 rupees. Wadi Shab is located in the Sharqiyah region of Oman. It is a 2-hour drive from Muscat that makes it a popular day trip destination.
Hard trekking difficult. Now it's really very easy. We will just start. They have changed this place so that more and more people can reach you.
So this is what Wadi Shab is about. So because of the water, so now we have to find our own way from the jungle across this area.
What's the experience of getting my legs wet in the Wadi?
So like I said before, wadis are valleys or dry riverbeds that are found specially in the Middle East and North Africa. Wadis are famous for their stunning natural beauty with rock formations, plants, waterfalls and pools. They provide a fresh contrast to the surrounding desert landscapes. No matter how many pictures you see, I'm pretty sure even this video is not doing justice to this view. The way this looks in person is very different from the way it looks on camera. The highlight of Wadi Shab is reaching the hidden waterfall, which can be accessed by swimming through a short narrow passage. So we've already come 40 minutes in. I want a very small pond, but I'm gonna go in the water because I wanted to experience the Wadi waters. Here. The best time to visit Wadi Shab is during the winter months, that is from November to March, when the weather is cooler and there are fewer crowds.
चलो अभी बहुत लेट हो गया है, अभी धीरे धीरे हम लोग फटाफट जाएंगे, ओके? चलो 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 चलो।
Yeah, Wadi kids, let's go. So while going back, I saw 2 guys cliff jumping from here down. Mohammed here has told me that it's safe to jump. It's safe to jump, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna jump from here to there. This is so exciting. I wanted to do this so bad.
Go! Woo! 3, 2, 1! Woo! Hey Yash, how was your experience jumping in the water?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. Ever since I came over here, I've been seeing videos of people who come to Oman, do cliff jumping and jumping from heights. I wanted to do that so bad. I even asked my mommy, kar sakta hu kya? But she was like, if no one else is there, you should not do because it's not safe. But luckily, while going back, we saw 3 kids jumping in there. And I told my mommy, ki abhi karna hi hai mujhe. Because of them, I could jump. First half second of jumping, I was very scared. I was scared to death. And I got to do that. So it's fair to say, coming to Wadi Shab was a success. And yes, it was a lot of fun, man. Dude, and I can't believe these guys are 15 years old. How do you guys look so big? You eat camel meat? Nice guys, Omani guys. I think this is the first time I'm meeting Omani youngsters.
In your home.
Oh, this is my home.
Yes.
Dude, that's so nice.
Thank you.
Omani boy is telling me that this is my home. I can come anytime. Yes. So add me on Facebook. Next time I come here, I'll stay in your house.
Inshallah.
I'll eat camel with you.
What's gonna work?
That's so
Wadi Shab. Successful Wadi Shab trip.
Here we are, Bama sinkhole. Let's see how it is. इधर भी डुबकी लगाएंगे bro. But it's getting cold now, so I'm having double thoughts. And we'll see whether to go in or not. But it's getting cold. Bima sinkhole is located on the northeastern coast of Oman. It was formed naturally due to the collapse of a large underground cave. और ज़्यादा लोग भी नहीं हैं. एक कोई तो बैठा है बनियन में बस. जाना है पानी में. Let's go. According to local legend, the sinkhole was created by a meteorite impact. Hence its name Havyat Najim, which means the falling star sinkhole in Arabic. Finally took a decision to jump in the water because only one life. ठंड लग रहा है. बहुत ठंडा हो रही है यार. And I was naturally tired after all the swimming at Wadi Shab and the sinkhole, so it was time to refuel at Begum's restaurant back in Muscat. Oof, so the day has come to an end. Great day, Wadi Shab, Bama sinkhole, good dinner. We are back now. We are reviewing the footage so that all the vlogs can be seamlessly edited. And we're going to Ritik. Hello. You should say it. And Ritik is here as well. It's his last night over here. Ritik,
Yes.
how has this trip been, man, for you?
It's been amazing, bro. First international trip, very memorable. Lots of memories, lots of enjoyment, lots of shooting. Lot of good content ahead. I think I'm excited to edit all these daily vlog series. So I'm sure this will be one of the best.
Nice, dude. Many more videos coming. It's Ritik's last day, but I'm going to stay here for 3-4 more days. So day 8 is a wrap. If you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, you know what to do. Do like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.